Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert code snippet in your Trello card. So let me go ahead and quickly create a card here. So let's call this one coding, right? And let's say I want to go ahead and insert some code here. So I can simply open up that specific card, and here I can type, for example, my code as an example, and let's say I want to add a code snippet. So whenever we insert the code, you can easily add it there. So what you want to do, simple click the plus icon here towards the upper top of the description. You'll have a few options, and one called code snippet. So if you click on that, you can see immediately that it adds the code. No, I don't have a specific code right now, but I can go to Google and I can say show me a test code, right, or something like that. I will call it Java code or Python code. You get the idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and let's find some quick test codes if I can find something here. So here's a particular script. For example, I can copy this and I can basically put it in the script that I'm trying to do. So here is it. I can put the code there, and as you can see right there, if I click and save, you can see now that the description now look like something with code. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and insert codes in your Trello card description. Very easy and very simple.